Hi, and have a good Friday. This is Aurelio Porfiri for our podcast here in Cantus. And today I want to talk about something maybe more personal you can define. Um, you may know that I publish quite a number of books. One of the book that have more success is the Catholic Mass that I uh, co-wrote with Bishop Athanasius Schneider. The book is a success, and many people that read the book say that that was really what they were waiting for. The book answers some of their wishes or even questions. So if you did not read yet the Catholic Mass, I strongly advise you to get the book that is available, I think, everywhere, because it is a book that will probably explain you why we have to be very concerned about the situation of the liturgy. Is a book that tell you why we need to rediscover beauty in the mass, rediscover the sense of adoration, rediscover especially the role of God in the liturgy. So I really hope that you can read this book and to uh, uh, also interact with the book, because I'm sure every one of you will come with some preconceived ideas, but I'm sure that with the help of this book, you can clarify a lot of your doubts about the liturgy. And also, if you don't have many doubts, you can develop a real sense of what the liturgy should be, and understand that unfortunately in the majority of places around the world the liturgy is not like that. This book is available in English and Italian also, but I know that it's been has been translated in many other languages, but I'm not sure what is the situation of the book in these other languages. But for sure, I can tell you that it's available in Italian and in English. If you have, if you want to have a better ideas about the liturgy, and also we talk a little about sacred art and a little also about music. So I really strongly suggest you to go to your bookstore or the online bookstore and purchase the Catholic Mass Steps to Restore the Centrality of God in the Liturgy. I think you will not repent it. So, thank you very much. As you know, you can follow me on Telegram. You look for the channel Aurelio Porfiri. So, I wish you a very good day.